Hello my dear pharmacy friends, welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. My dear friends, Remedies Private Limited, a subsidiary of Indigo Remedies Limited. This company is in Aurangabad and this is conducting walk-in interview for semi-solid facility toothpaste manufacturing. So the position is officer, executive or manager. The departments are production, quality assurance, quality control, warehouse, EHS or safety, technician, machine operator. The experience required is 2 to 15 years of experience. The qualification is BSc, MSc, B.Pharm and M.Pharm. And the date of walk-in is 4th August 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. The venue Hotel Amirpet, Jaina Road, Hanuman Colony, Aurangabad. So next one is Block 2 API manufacturing facility and they are looking for officer, executive or manager. The qualification is BSc, MSc, B.Pharm and M.Pharm. And department is production, QA, QC, warehouse and technician. So please carry your updated CV along with your passport size photographs and current salary details. So you can also email your details to careers@varanremedies.com. These are the details. Thank you for watching. For job updates like this, subscribe to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel.